One name that has holds the key to innovative and effective solutions. EPSCO. Leaders in indoor environment protection and restoration.
EPSCO India was started with a mission that we should provide solutions for the indoor and outdoor environments.
Our services includes contaminated land and soil remediation, HVAC duct cleaning, indoor air quality audits, kitchen extraction systems, asbestos survey, management and abatement, fire and flood restoration, dry ice blasting. For over 2 decades, offering world-class services meeting certified global standards. We at EPSCO have the largest team of IAQA experts and NADCA certified professionals in India. Blending knowledge, technology, and commitment. Deploying a new era of environment protection technology. EPSCO, purify, restore, protect.